if you're experiencing frame stuttering in GTA 5, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your game performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Go to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This will help reduce the load on your system and improve frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources, leading to stuttering. Use the task manager to end these processes before launching the game. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help improve game stability and performance. Step 5. Adjust virtual memory. Increase your virtual memory settings. Go to your system settings, find the performance options, and adjust the virtual memory paging file size. Setting it to higher value can help with performance issues, especially if your RAM is limited. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing GTA 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.